We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elle Kolb, and today I am going to be talking about KYLIE lip kits and how to contour your lips. I ordered them online. It was kind of hard. I was like, which colors do I really want to order? I don't know. And so I chose like nudes, like neutrals, and I chose kind of like a pink shade as well. Follow my Instagram, it's ellmarie_, and I will have that right here. And you can like scroll up through my Instagram. I have some like really cool photos. I also model. I'm signed to an agency in Cincinnati, and so like you can see some of my model photos as well on there. Please subscribe to my channel if you don't already, and give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so the first KYLIE lipstick that I'm going to be trying is Poppin, and it is her gloss. I never bought one of her glosses before, but I heard they're like phenomenal, and so I always like kind of wanted to try it. I know like glosses were kind of in back in the day, and then they kind of went out, and then I feel like they're back in. I don't know. I feel like it's trendy again. That's kind of what I'm saying. And so I was like, okay, well, why not try it with a lip exfoliator? And I got mine by Elf, so it was like $3. It was honestly a steal, and it's like in coconut, so it smells amazing. You guys should try this out. So you have to put Extreme Plumper from Victoria's Secret on my lips, and I don't know if this really did anything. It felt like it did. It was kind of stinging, which sounds like a good sign, so I'm hoping that it is. And so I just put that on. Next, I used my Sephora lip liner on my lips, and I'm just going to show you how I contour my lips. So I put on the outside, and then to contour, I'll put it in the middle. So I draw a line in the middle of my lips, in the middle of my bottom lips as well, and then I draw 2 more lines on these outside, and then like 2 more lines on the inside. And I might have to reapply this because I know these KYLIE lipsticks do not come off. Yeah, that's what I do. Okay, so I got a lip gloss, a velvet, and then I got 2 matte lipsticks. The velvet should be easier to come off since it's just like a velvety texture. So starting off with the Poppin Gloss, honestly the packaging is so cute for this. And I love this gloss, you guys, because you can put this over top of any lipstick and it would honestly look like so good. But as you see, as I keep applying, it keeps getting more gold. Is brown sugar? Yeah. Okay, so here's the wand. It's just like the typical wand. You guys, this is so fun. Okay, so I've had this on for a little bit, and it honestly like won't come off. I kind of like the color a lot. I kind of like it with this eye makeup too. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this combo. But I don't know, I like it a lot. Okay, so next I'm going to be trying Dirty Peach. And this is like this pinky shade, kind of a pinky nude. Again, it has the same little applicator. So it went on super smooth again. I keep saying that camera died, so I just went ahead and applied it. It looks like this. It came in like super cool packaging, and it's called Birthday Suit. And I love like nudes, like really nudie nudes. And I don't know, I just decided why not try a nude and why not try a velvet. So it's a nude velvet, obviously called Birthday Suit. It's super nude, which I really like. And there's kind of like, it looks like there's peachy undertones. Correct me if I'm wrong, it might be like blue. But it kind of, maybe it's because of all the colors I've had on my lips today. But it just seems really cool, really chill, really like kind of trendy now. Because which ones do you guys think are your favorite? So overall, I think Kylie's lip kits are amazing. I really think they stay on forever. When I go out and, you know, with friends and I come back like late in the morning, I'm like, wow, this has been on all night, literally. Even when I went to the bathroom, like I see girls like applying it and I'm just like, huh, I can go back out and dance. Like I don't even need to apply my lipstick. So I think that's really exciting. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you really liked it and I hope it gave you insight on KYLIE Cosmetics and if you would want to purchase her products. I personally really like them. I know some people like complain about them or whatever and just say, you know, it's like just a celebrity who's making them, but I really personally like them and I think they're the best lipsticks I've worn so far. And please comment which shade is your favorite. I said that a few times, but do it please. Thank you so much. Bye guys.
We set out on a mission to find our inner peace, make it everlasting, so nothing's incomplete. It's easy being with you, sacred simplicity. As long as we're together, there's no place I'd rather be. With every step we take, Kyoto to the bay, strolling so casually. We're different.